There's different eye drops. với các kiểu nó với có các kiểu. So it depends. Với rằng đi cái không one drop thì cái pressure được cho cái hạt tổng cho nó sẽ trở nên mình có trong rằng. Với rằng đu đại đu quẩn. So sometimes I got to do.
là cái pressure ở kia đi chỉ sang kèm đi dùng để ai giúp.
No, 因为迄个你若停起来，伊就会搁关起来。所以咱就咧食过啊药啊 ，it only helps you on the pressure. 伊拢无甲你 cure 迄个问题。
咁 side effect。
有 side effect, yeah, depend on the drug.
用。
Yeah, different drug 拢有 different side effects. 所以有的人像讲有 asthma， 还是有迄个心脏的问题，还是心脏无白跳，还是 blood pressure 升低，所以有的 beta blocker 就会当用。So then you choose a different medicine.
Good question. Any way dietary supplements to prevent glaucoma?
Not as far as we know. Okay, diet and vitamins, we know for sure it helps macular degeneration. 黄斑, that jahun is good. Okay, so important. And then antioxidant vitamin. Antioxidant vitamin definitely good for 黄斑. Maybe it's good for 白内障 too. Not sure. You have to study, but not for glaucoma. Glaucoma, not.
No way to prevent.
Not as far as we know. Gluten? You mean like gluten free?
No.
Oh, lutein. Oh yeah, lutein is good for the macular 黄斑. That's the only thing we know it's good for. Yeah, so that is inside the vitamins that we take for the macular degeneration. Oh, 黄斑 青光眼. Okay, 青光眼 can be genetic. With your family one. So, family member 有迄个青光眼，你来较早检查较好。你若知影我迄个 family member 50岁有发生这个代志 ，OK， maybe 我40岁还是30岁就要来开始检查。上 strong 的 relation 就是你的姊妹，你的 sibling, brother or sister. So 你若迄个 brother or sister 有 glaucoma, that's the highest risk. Other than that, could be parent 还是 child. Yeah, it's not always. And it also could be injury. Injury, is common to get glaucoma and cataracts. And then certain medication, steroid medication. Yeah, the special lens. Yeah, they do. Yeah. Oh yeah, the reason that hidden lens got that bit, hidden lens with circles inside, just a circle. So with circle or hidden consonant, he can't So either way, in general, a quality of vision is the regular lens, all of the consonant don't keep far away. So they are far away, but the near far lens, also the glare and halos. Okay? So here the quality of vision not as good. Maybe that's okay for that person. That's decided. It's more expensive also. Average 可能2000、3000块一对。有的人就是安尼 monovision 一个安尼 quality of vision 嘛是较低，因为咱可能一对赛车安尼较无安全。有的人较袂惯势。 Yeah, 啊，有的人惯是 is okay. You know, we 常用 contact lens 就安尼惯是 is okay.
你即摆咧讲这，我有一个朋友吼，伊就是去创，伊就是去挂迄个安尼，甲啊想要装即个讲上新的安尼，啊足贵啊。结果伊甲我讲，你毋通去创啊！伊讲迄效果无好，伊讲这才当啊出来尔。伊讲你还是去创迄上简单的上好，安尼是安尼啊？毋是我毋知。
Yeah, 我甲你讲，我的 patient 可能差不多95% get the regular lens. Okay. 有的人 get the astigmatism 相关的 lens because 迄个拢无啥物 side effect， 含迄个 regular lens 共款，但互你的 astigmatism 较好。即摆迄个上贵因的 the near far one， 迄个较侪 side effect， 所以我就爱甲人若趣味 maybe interested 迄个 lens， 我都爱甲伊讲 ，OK， 你若 maybe 你暗时无咧赛车 ，maybe it's okay for you。有的人敢若伫厝里啊 ，maybe 爱读册啊 ，maybe 爱看电视、煮物件 ，maybe that's okay。不过伊若是 truck driver， 啊，伊只敢拢咧赛车，还是伊感觉足无爱有迄个 glare and halo， 所以伊就唔好穿即种的物件。Not for yeah, yeah. 是会当摕起来，不过伊就是问讲 ，after 你若放迄个 lens， 你无欢喜，你敢会当去摕起来 ？You can， 不过 it's much more complicated， 所以有可能你咧摕起来，你搁放新的时，无你迄个白内障迄个底啊人破去 ，OK， 安尼就变大代志 ，OK，so 上好是 before 拢想清楚看你爱啥物物件 ，and then just use that。But the regular lens is very good.
他记得有些公猫有那个白血后边水肿，用部位有讲水肿啊，在天气有的想屁股的
Water?
水肿，应该查一下。
哦，那就见起来个。
因为伊个上唇吼有关系掉，有较见起来。
啊，伫内底后壁呀。In the retina?
No, between retina and eyes.
Oh, and the outside?
把最后边。进来查。
Maybe under the
就是
retina.
retina，后面那个就是 retina。
它是水肿，
水肿就是 information 嘛。
对啊 ，information 都要 information。也要不有所以我找水肿。哎，你说我在想到那然后都讲这边怎么样，但你讲
那就无吼。我讲就是讲你来当keep your health 较好 ，anything that's good for your health， 就讲 food, drink, exercise, you know, sugar control, blood pressure control， 这种物件 ，all of that makes your eye healthy too. Exercise, yeah. From again. Computer? And
生活哈，照顾起，阮到三十个拢搞这件事，一定会有需要，因为阮囡仔同去讲讲，伊讲讲，叫阮捡迄个目镜的 lens 有迄个有来，你感觉这个有 help 啊有需要？
即马是较有一寡 study information 讲 maybe 迄个 blue light from the screen 对目睭 is not good， especially 较少年的 maybe 因为压力develop 要有种之前你要用目睭 ，so yeah there's some blue blocking glasses or filter you can use. It makes it look a little bit yellow. The yellow blocks the blue.
但是这款 lens 伊讲it's under the sunlight 哈，是种迄个
It's not like sunglasses.
我最近去就是白内障，他就是完了，提供眼睛要好，结果是 standard 眼睛，我平常都看得到，现在只有看近的，需要看
cái biết con in là gì ai qua bạn nhỉ
啊，刚刚听到过嘅，啊，即嘛，佢内容你多，其他看张内容会使，啊，手术迄种laser 的surgery。
我你说你的 cataract surgery 用 laser 做的
呀呀，一个眼睛要2000块，两个眼睛4000块。
The laser cataract surgery 基本是it's not covered by insurance, so that's where you have to go out of pocket.
It's good.
But it's actually the same result. It's the same result.
What do you mean by same result?
Same result as a ultrasound surgery that is covered. It's only use a different tool to make the cut. Use a laser to make the cut instead of a knife.
But it's in terms of dangerous. I think the laser is less dangerous.
No, it's not. It is the same.
Wow,
But it depends on the surgeon. Okay, the surgeon, some part of the surgery, laser is more accurate. But I think a lot of doctors are very good at doing that part, so that is the same.
我觉得没有给药。laser just
我当初我俾你，我你先講我嘅，我嘅 design 意思啊，你講我這手術嘅是問題是喺熱帶是喺。
不是裂白的。
是啊，我是個化工，你有聽過人誒熱帶係安怎別選安怎來影響到？
看是什麼問題？迄個 retinal，伊講retinal 有啥物，都是啥物問題？
我係near side。
Oh, okay. Okay, so high myopia, so pathologic myopia.
Yeah, I got the idea that that's your fault.
Okay.
So,我發前嘅出現嘅，叫佢哋嗱嘅係會冇成會。
Right.
我做嘅。
Okay. 所以有個人若是足近視的，我甲你講，迄個 retinal 有較薄，所以有一個 retinal problem with high nearsightedness, what's a myopic degeneration. Macular degeneration 就是affect 較小的因為 macular degeneration usually 55 or older. Myopic degeneration could be younger, could be 20, 30 years old. So So some people use the same vitamin to treat both. There's no real good surgery or anything to help with that. So you know, cataract, sometimes the cataract improve a little bit. Retina,
So 是你看嘅睇人教課或者咩？
nothing. But she gonna routine camera once a year usually, or twice a year, depending. Maybe the vitamins, but oh, and the other thing is full-time glasses or accidentally or something.
So far, no protection.
And if you're not wearing any glasses, you should probably wear some protective glasses, polycarbonate lenses, just in case.
No prescription.
Even no prescription if you don't need. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. Yeah, vitamin C, E, A, Z.
你讲到近视，就是高度近视，900-1000安尼算。
Oh, okay. So what's high myopia? Okay.
我这目镜就是900-1000我近视足深的。我是要问讲，你有当时去检查目睭，有当时醫生會講，你敢要照相片
Oh, the photo?
Yeah. Do you think it's necessary, or what's the good of doing that, or keep the record?
Yeah. The only time that I take pictures of inside the eye, most common is the glaucoma suspect. 还是 glaucoma， 因为迄个神经会直直变，还是你若 suspicion， 我毋知你有青光眼无，我就先甲你翕一个相，啊，你话 every year 就甲看讲，甲比起来敢有共款，若共款，啊，就毋是青光眼，啊，所以就免 treat 了。
毋过迄无 insurance 都考虑也得顾者。
Yeah, so within the optometry office,你去 optometry， 你用你的 vision plan does not cover the photos.
But your medical insurance.
Your medical insurance covers a photo if it's needed. So if you have any problem inside the retina or glaucoma suspect or you have diabetes or something, the medical insurance will cover the photo. When now find your gong yao area for Xingpo as something that will cover. Yeah.
What kind of patient do you call the glaucoma suspect?
Okay, so usually one reason is 眼压循环。你若眼压较悬，如果 just borderline， 你会把这个神经较像 normal， everything else normal, that's maybe ocular hypertension or glaucoma suspect. But usually, the looks different. 就讲一类内底遐比迄类较大，one is different from the other, which means could be changing, or in the melon内底较大 bigger than average. Average is about 1/3. 1/3 内底 compared to the outside, like a donut. Donut is normal, okay? So if the inside is 2/3 of the outside, then I would take a picture. And we also have other things like a scan, which is special, which is key. Then scan the神经，看迄个 retina 里面遐讲开始在剥皮，因为开始剥皮 that may be the earliest sign of glaucoma. No, because sometimes it's just from the disease, from the glaucoma, or it could be from certain medicine, steroid medicine. No, anyway. 如果你若咧检查你的眼压吼，你若 hold your breath， 还是你 你 straining， 还是你的 position 无好势 ，it's gonna seem high。所以我大家我若咧检查，我想讲，我的小姐甲你检查，你奈2查无，奈遐尼悬。我甲你检查，我讲，OK，你喘气，你放轻松。Okay, oh, now it's 15. Okay, it's okay. Yeah. 可能是足侪人拢有，有的人无感觉，无去注意着，还是足少的，足细种。伊就因为伊感觉sometimes 你的 brain， 你若足久拢无迄个物件，足细，伊就会甲你 ignore。You get used to it. Sometimes you think, oh, maybe 5 years ago, I gave you a floater. I think I don't know how to maybe your brain you can do.
我应该这种伫种一个。
You still see something?
对，安尼一个物件，真大的安尼吼。
Sometimes 迄个 floater 会伫遐足久的。
较细，但是就是伫遐安尼，我有的人讲。嘛拢无看到安尼啊。
有的人真正无。不过因为从一个 study 就是讲，everybody who passed away， 伊拢甲伊examine 伊的目睭 ，so about 80% of people had floaters. They actually saw the floaters in them, but not that many people noticed. Floaters? Floater 普通若是无变。It's okay. 你若感觉愈来愈济，就上好是检查一下，看你的 retina is okay. Especially 你若足近视，若是拢差不多共款，还是愈来愈少去，就是 that's okay. Sometimes 嘛愈来愈少去，因为你即马较侪回是你目睭的后壁迄撮水吼，伊会直变较水，毋是高，就是变较水，所以遐个 floater 就是落去。伊会落去下骹，所以你就无看到。伊若伫上下骹，你就无看。 伊伫中的是你着上有看，就是你着倒伫壁车，哎呦，你看头顶哦，迄阵你着看上济，because everything is right in the middle. Are you checking yours? You see more that way, right? So maybe in the morning, sunlight is like倒伫你着可能看着较济，啊，即摆你起来一时啊，特别是较济回来，遐物件拢拉你下骹。Maybe. And then funny thing was, he has floaters. 真正有物件伫内底，所以会简单啲。啊，所以你若感觉伊若这 floater 若走小可较头前，伊就会若像较大较低。啊，伊若较近你的 retina， 伊就变较细，啊较 sharp， 较黑。You know, so some people you go, oh, I did it walk here, it will change size, because you're gonna be maybe farther or closer. Yeah. You know, when you have a shadow, you have to, you know, cut in the cup or at the same time. Yeah, one little. We did it. Any other questions? Very good question. Yes. Astigmatism. And sometimes it's good to get an exam. I mean, sometimes a macular degeneration or macular retina, sometimes already night vision come back. Cataracts sometimes can do that too. It's just normal for the person. Yeah. Could be. So, we just we now within 5分钟 it gets better as normal.
How to find the good cataract surgery?
I don't know. Probably you just ask your friends and family, nearby, or you can ask. Usually, primary doctor knows very well. Primary doctor knows and then the patient come back and tell them their experience.
Because some of the optometrists doesn't do the surgery, right?
Some ophthalmologists don't do the surgery. So you want to have someone who does the surgery all the time. Yeah. So usually general ophthalmologists and cornea specialists and glaucoma specialists, they all do the surgery. But just a specialty, not a subspecialty.
What's the latest degeneration?
Lattice degeneration is when you have like a nearsighted the retina cup. Yeah, those are the lattice degeneration. That's the name. Because it looks like little lines. Yeah, that's okay.
我是手术3-4单啊，这边手术3-4单，因为手术了无讲真顺利吼，那个swelling啦、inflammation 啦，加3个月吼，我都唔敢手术啦，是结果我是手术1个月， 这个我就是no. I don't see much difference.
Yeah, if you're doing okay, because one may be faster than the other,
Yeah.
depend on your eye health.
Right.
And most people, the left eye is worse, 因为塞车拢特别看起来酸。
对，所以我咧看，因为我自己有看，所以有看无看，它是 make difference.
It depends. 你若要塞车，你就两类拢爱 OK。
But a week ago, I had an appointment with my eye doctor. 但是我asymmetry，我甲伊问讲吼，你看我一边睇到usually 4、5天来，我就无感觉讲会死。
Yeah.
我甲伊问讲，我感觉需要抽身啦。我甲伊问，我的doctor伫骹板面，我就会问你啊，你手术我就给你手术啦。
Yeah, let me explain that. 所以你讲的塞车，OK， 你讲的塞车 minimum for the DMV， 你爱较好的迄类2040，较歹迄类会当 as bad as 2070， OK？ 你若 satisfy 迄两项 ，it's up to you because that's the only legal reason 你爱 see better，OK？ 你若 good enough for the driving and you drive， 你若无咧塞车 ，completely up to you。Completely up to you. Kakak, you okay? Di do man kuida.
My driving license is passed now.
Yes.
What meant for low DMV?
No, you still do. 因为迄个 DMV 讲你的 vision 啊 change， 你爱甲伊通知。
Well, I don't know. I already got my license.
Yeah. But that's
In the next 5 years, I don't need it.
Let's say you got your DMV, you got your license, you got in an accident, you're blind now. Should you drive?
Oh, I do.
No. Okay.
I drive.
So this time I tell people you're gonna drive, tell me because I don't want to be on the road with you.
像鬼像鬼。
Another question is,
Yeah.
well, you can pay the 2 way, pay the 5 way.
Yeah.
So what? I don't have any problem. I will see you with my one eye.
You still have 50 years.
Why I spend the money?
But like I said, it's up to you. If you see well enough to drive, then everything else is up to you. You know, if you feel that you don't want surgery, and that's okay. Why would you have to have surgery?
Well, just like my doctor.
Exactly.
I asked her.
Yeah.
I asked her.
But don't just go by the age, okay? My oldest cataract patient was 101 when I did surgery. And the reason I did it is because she was still walking around. She's still seeing. So if you still want to use your eye, then it's okay if you want to see better, okay? But if you feel that you don't need to see better, then that's okay. You can wait. Okay, but don't wait too long because if you feel that maybe later you want it, maybe the surgery is more difficult later because it's too hard, it's like a rock.
My surgery is scheduled within 2 weeks.
It
I was
is?
thinking to cancel.
You can still think about it. Very interesting. Any other questions? Yes?
So,我最近看的医生，伊讲我做是挂在 Acuvue 2。
Contact lens?
Yeah, I got the Acuvue 2 more. I don't have the market in Taipei. So,我讲你看发现会
嘿，我较唔知影，我无咧开迄个 contact lens。我有一个 optometrist work with me，所以contact lens 我可以接触你。So I don't know for sure。因为你的医生哪里甲你讲 maybe it's true。Yeah， 上重要就是讲你暗时无挂个 contact lens。Don't wear too many hours. Don't sleep in it. Always clean it. Yeah. Okay, so it's basically 当时需要 cataract surgery, right? 今我感觉就是你有问题 you have difficulty reading, you have difficulty driving at night, seeing the street signs, seeing the computer, reading music and anything for seeing, you have difficulty, even though you're wearing the glasses, then we can offer the surgery. Even if it's mild, but you're having that difficulty, then it's okay. When state, you have to have certain level of vision. California, I think you don't. But most people have enough sun exposure, they have cataract. Yeah, okay, 我跟你讲，迄个。Yeah, but it's temporary. 因为你拿减眉 then you glitter and then it's okay again. Okay? 但是，我做这个 patient 就是伊本来讲减眉，啊，即摆开了配就当塞车。So， 不过有的人唔知影讲因无看，我也有一个 patient。伊讲啊，我都看了好势，我塞车拢无问题。我叫伊 read 遐 letter, they're legally blind, okay? They don't see the big E on the chart. 伊嘛是感觉哦，我都逐项拢看因两几种同齐，礼拜 very slowly， 所以伊无感觉。你无看呀？所以就讲，你都无看呀？去检查。Yeah， 啊，有的人就是 cataract 就细，伊就感觉哦，足无共款的 ，you know，they those people yeah， 有的人要免手术，啊，有的得去。有的人无爱啦，有的人无爱啦，所以有的人连讲讲 ，OK， 我莫塞车，我都袂开刀，我莫塞车就好啊 ，that's okay。
啊，即摆你讲的意思，讲伊真正人无快，佮就是也个会当。
Yeah。我报一个人，伊敢若看到讲，遮咱就一个光光，我甲 shine 迄个 light， 敢看到光光，我甲伊 finger 放伫遮，伊拢无看。啊，怎啊 cataract surgery 了 ？Next day 我甲迄个 bandage take 起来，伊2020，无看目镜2020，所以就哦，即摆伊就看，因为伊本来两对拢安尼，所以即摆伊就即边有看。And then they can get around， 啊，无可能去变数嘛，人家甲传。
好。真嘛是，上尾一个问题吼，然后听到讲我用遐看病情，这拢都贵，免困的。OK， 好，刚刚有上尾一个问题。
足行光的，迄是
所以若是 all of a sudden 就是新的问题，足惊光 could be dry eye, it could be inflammation, iritis. So usually 变冷or corneal abrasion. Scratch.
多谢 Lisa 哈，多谢 Lisa。Lisa 说。啊嘿，我感觉不错，我查个大家是讲足够，讲下就好了哈。
Lisa 是一个小学生幼稚班吧，听着班主任。
肝科医生，互我有这个福气，听到伊今仔日精彩分享，由此大大祝福伊甲伊个家庭。观众，阮有拄搭后来照顾阮的目睭，当时啊，就你开阮心内目睭，互我看见主你的心意，行伫你旨意内底。感谢你享受下晡这段美好的时间，祝福阮的妇女会，祝福阮的兄弟姊妹，祝福阮等者四线的脚步，记得各自的名，阿妹。
多谢各位哈，